everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Nice car, guys. So this car actually, the body, the paint, the interior, that's actually older on the car. Matter of fact, the gentleman said that the paint on this car is over 20 years old. Still looks great. You can definitely nitpick it, but still very nice. Factory color, I think it's called Classic Copper. It's a beautiful color, really unique, really different. And then it's got the factory dark saddle interior. And if I remember right, he actually said a lot of the interior is actually original. But now the drivetrain, the suspension, that stuff has all been redone within the last couple of years. Matter of fact, there's brand new subframe bushing. So they've had this car completely apart. Nice car, Muncie 4-speed, big block underneath the hood. It's actually a 454, not a 396. I'm sure they wanted it to kind of look era correct, so they put all the 396 badging on it. Car is supposed to be a factory super sport. Of course, you can't break these cars down through the VIN, but it is a factory 114 car, so you know they came with a V8, but I'm sure it was a small block car. Correct SS hood, chrome and stainless is very nice. Car's only got 70,000 original miles on it. And I'll tell you one thing, again, you can pick at as you walk around, you're going to see some touch-up marks and things like that. Car hits the road nice and tight. They put tubular upper and lower control arms on it. It's got a multi-leaf rear suspension on it. It really drives out good. Love the color. Color's slick. You can see that metallic, it really glows. Our back window's dirty there. Love this color, and it's got, and like I say, he said it's over 20 years old, and it's beautiful. Like I say, you can pick little things as you walk around. Looks like all this trim's original. Car's nice and straight down the sides. I love the Cragar SS's with the BFGs. Good car, and like I say, when you drive it down the road, it's nice and tight. It's not a squeaker or a rattler. This thing is nice. Good looking car, man. And he's got the chrome Cragars, the BFGs. Front disc brakes. Pretty car, really pretty car. Again, this is actually a 454. They've got it badged out like a 396, so it's kind of looks era correct. Again, you look down there, tubular upper and lower control arms. Said all that suspension stuff, that's all been done within the last couple of years. Engine's been freshened up, trans, rear axle. Nice little cam, nothing crazy, runs on pump gas. You can see the Edelbrock aluminum intake, does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, so it is a Muncie 4-speed manual trans, aluminum radiator. Good looking car. They've got all the billet pulleys on it. Stuff looks original here. Chrome mirror. Stainless looks pretty good. You can pick that side. Definitely looks original. Looks like they put new door handles on it. Door seams look good. I'm almost positive he said this is actually the original interior, except for the console. That's an aftermarket center console. It's got the Hurst shifter. So it probably came without a console. That's probably what it did. Bucket seats. Headliner looks good. Yeah, $70,998. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio. It works. Aftermarket gauges. They work. Parking brake does work. Like I say, you can, when you walk around, you can pick it a little. But again, car looks great, nice and flat. Believe me, you can pick any of them. You guys have watched my videos, I'll tell you. I mean, I can tell you, I bought and sold over 7,000 cars. They all got something somewhere. I think you said they put new quarters on it. Sorry, man, my memory's slipping on me, and God, we've been so busy here lately. I know, guys, I got quite a few emails this weekend. I apologize. A few cars got sold or deposits taken on them without us getting them advertised. There's nothing I can do. We post a car, somebody puts a deposit on it or buys it. That's what we're here for. But I know some cars got sold without videos, and people want to, you know, hunting for certain cars. The best thing you can do, register for our website, register for our YouTube page. If I buy something, I'll usually post pictures of it before I even get it here. These have definitely been repadded. There's no way that's original. Yeah, the seats are too nice. They've definitely repadded those seats. Again, that center console is aftermarket. We've added that. Maybe the back seat's original, but there's no way those front seats are original. Those are just too nice. And I could be wrong, but dual chrome mirrors. Again, you can pick this stuff a little bit. Yeah, nice little cam. Nothing crazy though, man. It runs on front gas. That's got a multi-leaf rear suspension. What is it? I think it's 373 posi in the rear. Dual exhaust. Pretty color, man. Pretty color. There's really not much in here. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, parking brake works. Radio works. Blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. Good sound. Got one backup light out. Oh no, it's on. Just the sun hitting it. Holding good oil pressure, temp gauge works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, I love the color. Love it.